Hello traders, welcome back to the Bullish Bear FX Academy. So basically guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use trend lines and what are trend lines. So before we even get into the video, please guys do me a favor by hitting the like button, turning on the notification bell and subscribing to this YouTube channel. So basically guys, I'm going to be starting off to teach you guys what are trend lines. So trend lines are actually lines that are drawn to pivot highs or lows in the market, or you can use a trend line to draw your resistance or your support. A rectangle can draw. So I'll start off by showing you guys how you can use a trend line. Okay, so let me just get my trend line and then I'll draw my trend line from here. So remember guys, in my previous video I taught you guys that for a trend line to be valid it needs minimum 3 touches. Okay, 3 touches or more. So this is how you can draw. So let's assume this is my support trend line. Okay, so that's my support trend line. Now let me draw in my resistance trend line. Remember we are using the support and resistance. So this is my resistant trend line. So now can your red angle draw this resistance that I've drawn here with a trend line? No, right? So I'm gonna prove that to you. Look, this is how it would look if you connect from point A and you want to connect to point B. Look, just make a big red angle. So a trend line allows you to connect points in a trending market or a market that's moving up, or you can even use it to draw structures which add more to our advantage when taking trades. So how can you use a trend line? A trend line, you can use a trend line by connecting to points like let me get a structure, a good structure. Let me say on the lower time frame. Okay, 4 hour. Let's say on the 4 hour, then we can get just a clear structure and then we can draw use our trend line. Now we have this structure here. So if you want to get a minimum 3 touches, and you know that we can't use a rectangle, so what are you going to use? You're going to use a trend line. So you draw your trend line from here. So we have one there, one touch, and then 2, 3. You see, I dropped that too low, so let me just adjust it quickly. So we have our 3 touches there. At the top, you know, we have 1, 2, and then 3 touches on our resistance trend line. Okay, so now that you have drawn in with your trend line, you have connected the touches, then you know that okay, now I have 3 touches. So what am I going to be looking for? I'm going to be looking for this is what I'm going to be looking for, selling pressure from there. Or you can even get now your red angle again to draw another resistance. So now you like have 2 resistance which are so powerful to your advantage. Okay, because you'd see that okay, the market is at my resistant triangle, and it's at my resistant trend line. So this actually give me more confirmation to take the trade. As you can see here that oh, now we have on the JB225 the market responded really well to that. You can see that red angle. So now I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you can structure using a trend line. Again, this is what I'll be doing. So you can see that I've actually plotted out another structure. So what this actually means is that the market moved impulse, correction, and then impulse to the downside. So you can see that okay, while it was correcting, you can use a trend line as well to connect points to find the structure, how to show you that the market is actually correcting to go to your resistance there and to your resistant trend line. So that's how you can use trend line, guys. I hope you guys picked up something from this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Keep winning.